I'm Hope Malhotra, an associated dialysis. So today I would be talking about the polluter pay principle in respect to US. The principle is an environmental policy that states that a party responsible for producing pollution should bear the cost associated with its impact and cleanup. So in United States, the application of polluter pay principle can vary depending on the specific environmental laws and regulations in place. The principle is often incorporated into environmental legislation and regulatory frameworks to hold polluters accountable and encourage them to internalize the cost of pollution. For example, under the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, that is EPA, various environmental laws have been enacted to address pollution and allocate responsibility for its control and cleanup. These laws include the Clean Air Act, the Clean Water Act, the Resources Conservation Recovery Act (RCRA), and Comprehensive Environmental Response Compensation and Liability Act are also known as Superfund. The Clean Air Act and Clean Water Act, among other things, establish pollution control standards, permit requirements and enforcement mechanisms to ensure the industries and other polluting entities limit their emissions and discharges. So violators may be subject to fines, penalties, or legal action to recover the costs associated with environmental harm. CERCLA, commonly known as the Superfund, is specifically designed to address the cleanup of hazardous waste sites. It holds responsible parties accountable for the cost of remediation and provides mechanisms for the government to recover expenses from those responsible for the pollution. So, for most, it's worth nothing that the application effectiveness of polluter pay principle can subject to debate and may vary depending on the specific circumstances, legal interpretation and enforcement practices. So here viewers, I'll end up this video, and if anyone is in a doubt regarding the same, do let me know in the comment section, for which I'll try to read the same in no time. Thank you.